Is your external component the Open Natural Interaction 2 Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish OpenNI structure links. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Open Natural Interaction 2 library, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the Open Natural Interaction 2 library, the core library for the Open Natural Interaction OpenNI SDK version 2. It manages the data streams from 3D depth sensors like the Microsoft Kinect or Orbeck Astra. It is essential for body tracking and gesture recognition software. If missing, depth sensing applications will report no device connected or crash during the sensor initialization phase. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This is a Windows system integrity error involving a core library. I suggest using the system file checker by running sfc/scan now in an administrator command prompt to let the system automatically heal files like Open Natural Interaction 2 Library DLL. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Open Natural Interaction 2 library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Installing an unverified version of Open Natural Interaction 2 Library DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. For users transitioning to structured maintenance, the link below references tools related to Open Natural Interaction 2 library and registry optimization. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Open Natural Interaction 2 library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.